The defense rested on August 21 after calling 10 witnesses, ending with forensic psychiatrist Philip Resnik testifying that Lindsay Clancy was in a postpartum psychosis-induced dream state, described as a puppet state, unable to distinguish right from wrong when she killed her 3 children, with closing arguments possible Monday or Tuesday and a verdict possible sometime next week. The case now turns on a single question, because the act itself is not disputed. The Massachusetts triple homicide on Summer Street in Duxbury has moved to its final stage after coverage across August 17 to 21. Lindsay Clancy, also rendered Lindsay in transcripts, a former labor and delivery nurse at Massachusetts General Hospital, age about 35 to 36 at trial, has admitted strangling her 3 children with exercise bands in the basement. The victims appear in the record with variant spellings as Cora and Cora, Callan and Ken. Research verifies Cora and Callan, with Cora and Ken as transcription errors. Callan died days later after being placed on life support. After the killings, Clancy cut herself and jumped from a second-story bedroom window and is now paralyzed from the waist down, described in some reports as below the sternum, held at Duxbury State Hospital under Department of Mental Health custody. Her husband, Patrick Clancy, described as ex-husband who has remarried in some profiles, is not charged. The prosecution rested after more than 70 witnesses, with some reports above 80 arguing the killings were planned and that Clancy sent her husband out on errands for takeout and CVS to empty the house. Its central challenge is that Clancy never reported hearing voices in contemporaneous records, against later accounts of a commanding male voice. Sheila Kavanaugh of Brigham and Women's Hospital, chaplain with more than 200 conversations across Brigham, Spalding, and Tewksbury, described a January 31 post-extubation exchange when Clancy said she was glad her children were safe and was told they were safe in heaven, and later a persistent male voice commanding her to kill the children and herself. Resnik, who interviewed her and parents about 4 months later for about 3 hours, closed the defense case calling it a dreamlike puppet state. If the jury finds not guilty by reason of lack of criminal responsibility, commitment follows under General Laws, Chapter 123, Section 16, to a state psychiatric facility with periodic dangerousness reviews, not release, in Plymouth Superior Court before Judge William F. Sullivan. Rebuttal witnesses began immediately after the August 21 arrest, with closings now framing whether the dense medication history and rarity of 1 to 2 per 1,000 explain the contradiction the jury must resolve. Like and follow for more stories that matter.